Yo, what's going on everyone? It is me, NGC, and today's video we're going to be playing some more Granny Chapter 2. Now, in the last part we were able to beat, finally, the helicopter escape for normal mode. So now, we're going to upgrade this difficulty to hard mode, where in hard mode, I can't even pick. So it's just going to have to be Granny and Grandpa equally, so yeah. You know what? Just to make it even more harder, let's do extra rocks. Difficulty hard. Granny and Grandpa moves a bit faster. One extra rock on the main door. Okay, well that sounds harder, but alright, let's do this. Medium quality. We know this already, but oh boy. Granny Chapter 2 hard mode. Oh my goodness. It's obviously gonna be way harder. Because like there's two of them, and there's a small amount of space, so like oh boy. And that damn spider, by the way. Alright. Sensitivity. There we go. Oh, I already found the special key, so that is actually a very good opportunity. Boy, Grandpa's about to wake up. Okay. It's Grandpa. Come on, Granny. Okay, I'm gonna have to just go up here. My goodness. How is this possible? Where is the stun gun? Haha! Alright. The stun gun. Oh, you guys are cooked. You hear that, Granny and Grandpa? NGC is coming. Oh, she's fast. She is fast. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. There it is. Oh, my. Where's Grandpa? Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to have to be absolutely quick with this. Wait, doesn't Granny spawn here? Oh my goodness. This is such a big open that erased. Oh my goodness. I do not expect to be beating this in this gameplay. This is an attempt. But like I'm still hoping though. You saw that guy! Oh my goodness, she is fast. I do not want to know what she's like in extreme mode. I genuinely don't want to know. Like Grandpa, come on. Where is Grandpa? I hear his footsteps. I just don't hear. I just don't see him. My sensitivity is like very bad. There he is. Run. He's dancing. I had to watch him do the dance. And of course we get that. Is he keeping me out? Lee's house. I don't wanna stay. I just wanna go home. There's the wrench over there now. Granny's house. She be creeping me out, taking me home right now. Oh, this is such a risk. I'm doing this. Grandpa, don't. Oh, he's spawning there. Oh no! What is wrong with me? Where is he? There's the crowbar. Alright, let's get the crowbar. Oh my heart is actually beating so hard right now. God. By the way, in case two of them sneak up on me, I'll just go under the table. Because I hope they can't get me there. Yep, I hear them. Yep, okay, there's Granny. Wait. Grandpa. Alright, immediately get Grandpa. Actually, do we really need you? He's already coming anyway. Oh yeah, speaking of the devil. Ah, Grandpa! There we go. What is my game doing? I'm trying to play the game. Let me play the game in peace. Oh my! Am I trying to die? Oh my goodness. I'm going up here. I'm going up here just so I can breathe. Oh my goodness. That is so... I think front door's looking best, but like, there's so many extra locks to it, so that's the only concern I have. Weapon. Alright, weapon key. We need... Okay, definitely need the weapon key. There's Granny. Okay. Just for Granny, so... Alright. Oh, she's coming. Oh, well, Grandpa, okay. Didn't think you'd be coming, but I'm not complaining. Alright, now where's your wife? Boy, actually, as soon as I get rid of Granny, I can get the shotgun. She's coming. Hey, Grandpa. Bro, why is Grandpa doing the Family Guy pose? By the way, don't think I didn't see you, Granny. Do not act like I didn't see you. I did. Alright, now quickly. Oh, I need to quickly get the shotgun. Oh, run. Alright, let's go. Because like with the shot. Okay. Oh my goodness. Where are you? Where are they? Alright. Just in case my sensitivity gets me. I'm waiting for them. There's Grandpa. Alright. Well, there's Granny. Oh! The 2-for-1 special. Oh, nice. I could get this. Actually, wait. No. I'm wasting time. Wait, and I can get unlimited ammo with upstairs. Oh my goodness, I have unlimited ammo now. Just think about it. Oh, only if I get the pictures, though. Oh, that's the thing. Right, just need to make progress, so, Quickly, I need that steam. My game is actually trying to get me killed. I'm not even lying with you guys. Alright, I think I can do what you call it? Front door. Yeah, looks like it's the exit. Guys, come on. Here's the strategy. Hold on. This might be a stupid idea, but oh, there's the door handle. Alright, hey, that's a good idea. So here's the plan. I'm gonna knock out Granny and Grandpa, then get the padlock key or the door handle. Just keep doing this till I need to get something else. If I remember from the normal mode run, Granny, give me my amp. Granny. Where's Grandpa's coming? Granny. Where's Grandpa? Quickly. Quickly, go get this. Get the bullets off. Back upstairs. I have only 30 seconds, so like, not really the best. Oh no! I couldn't press the button. What's wrong with me? I couldn't press it. Oh my goodness. My heart is racing right now. It is actually racing. Okay, but this is good though. I'm making progress. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. It's day 2, but I'm actually making progress. All right, I'm not even mad. Right. Oh my goodness. Need to wait for them. Oh, that damn spider! Right, at least I know where Granny is. Actually, you know, I need to... You know, I'm getting the shotgun. I need to get the shotgun. Were they? I don't wanna stay. I just wanna go home. I don't wanna be a grand. Yeah. Getting them here. Where was the gun jumping? Alright, goodbye, Granny. You old hag. Now, where's your hobby? Come on, Grandpa. I'm not. I forgot Grandpa. Can't be wasting time because I'm actually gonna. Oh my goodness, Grandpa's wasting time. Oh, that's why. Oh, Grandpa. I'm going to murder Grandpa. Oh my goodness. Alright, back to Plan A. Sensitivity is at an all-time worst. Wait, there's Grandpa. Come on, Granny. Alright. That's fine with me. Granny, come on. Oh, she's coming, she's coming, she's coming. Finally, Granny. It takes me a century to come upstairs, man. Quickly put this on the door. I'm not letting go of the one button till I have this on. Alright, now go. Oh my god. Go! Oh my. Alright, this is the plan. I have thought of the master plan. This is the master plan. Oh my days. If you guys don't know what the master plan means, you are uncultured. That was good, buddy. I'm doing very good. Oh, the bull coming! Grandpa! The bull coming at me! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Grandpa, are you serious right now? Yeah, I'm risking it. I don't care. I need to risk it. I'm risking it. He's gonna come this way. I know it. I knew it! Okay, and my game is... Oh, I knew she would come that way. And I just had to get myself killed, did I? Oh my goodness. Day 3. Okay. Also, I'm sorry if the quality is very bad in this gameplay, but it's something I cannot handle, so apologies, but... Anyway, let's do this. I'm probably slightly limping now. It's fine. Let's say a good push. Oh my... Oh, don't tell me I messed that up. Oh my goodness. I'm actually gonna murder that spider. At least with that information I know what Glenn is. Grandpa's down. Okay, Grandpa's down. Oh, I'm not even pressing the button and it's moving for me. Oh wait, I know where they are, so I can actually do this. Oh shoot. Alright, shotgun. Thank you, shotgun. What? What the heck? What the heck? Are you serious? Oh, that's a bull coming at me. Wait, how can Nah, this is a team. This is a team then. Oh my goodness. Don't tell me. Don't leave it. Oh, she's running. Oh, she's running. Where's the ammo? Wait, what are you doing this time, Granny? Yeah, fall to the ground. Old hag. on this grandpa. Right, perfect. Perfect. Just because I don't want to risk things, I'm just gonna drop this down here. That'll be perfect. Alright. I'm gonna do this. I could actually beat this. Right. Grandpa. Alright, you know what? Just so I don't bore you guys, I'm gonna... Knocked out. I want to bolt knocked out. Right. Very, very quick. Very, very quick. Like this. Wait. Is this it? Can I actually do it? Oh my goodness. Did I actually beat it? Quick! 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 I actually did it! Oh, I heard the footsteps, so I knew they were coming. Oh my goodness. I actually beat Granny Chapter 2 Front Door Escape in hard mode. This is... I am the GOAT. I am just generally the GOAT at this. Nailed it. Alright, this was a very good success. And now we're gonna do boat or helicopter next time. Oh, it's been an absolute great opportunity coming to Granny Chapter 2, doing hard mode. So yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this gameplay, and I'll see y'all in the next gameplay.